Hi boys and girls, welcome to our first small group today, which is phonics. Phonics is where we practice our letters and we will learn ciphers. We are starting phonics by using our listening ears. We want to listen to sounds, so soon we can hear sounds in letters and sounds in words. Today, we are focused on our objective. I can listen for sounds with rhythm and rhyme. Escuchar para ritmo y rima. Somebody last week asked me a really good question. They said, what is rhythm? What is rhythm? Rhythm might be sounds you hear in music. Mr. Tebow does lots of rhythm. Sometimes you might pat a rhythm on your legs. Sometimes you might clap a rhythm with your hands. Sometimes you might do both. So I wanted to practice a rhythm with you. Listen first. And we can use these pictures to also help. We're going to pat our legs, clap our hands. Then we're going to repeat. So pat, pat, clap, pat, pat, clap. If you think you could try it with me, try it with me. Pat, pat, clap. Keep going. Last time. So what a rhythm would not be is when you have that and then you change speeds. That's not a rhythm. Nobody knows what's coming next. I even messed it up. I started doing just one pat, one clap instead of the two pats. A rhythm helps us remember what we're supposed to do. Helps us remember words. So, let's practice this same rhythm again. Don't go too fast or too slow. You have to stay on the same beat. Ready? Go. Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat, clap. Pat, pat. 2 more times. Last time. Done. Great job practicing and keeping that rhythm. Now let's practice our rhythm with a song that I bet you know. It's called If You're Happy and You Know It. Maybe this first time just listen so you can hear that rhythm or that beat of how we are going to sing the song in class. So it goes, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Your turn. Okay, now you had a turn to clap your hands and sing along. Let's change it a little bit. Instead of clap your hands, I'm going to cross that out. It says clap your hands. And instead, if you're happy and you know what, we're going to touch our nose. So we're taking out, clap your hands, putting in, touch your nose. Try to sing along with me. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, touch your nose. If you're happy and you know it, touch your nose. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, touch your nose. We even got to keep the same rhythm or beat with touching our nose. Ooh, ooh, good job, good job. Let's do this one last time, but let's take out touch your nose, and let's put in shake your head. So to keep with that rhythm, we're going to shake our head 2 times. All right, let's give this song a try. If you're happy and you know it, shake your head. If you're happy and you know it, shake your head. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. All right, let's keep rolling. Great job hearing rhythm and rhyme in those songs. I have a new nursery rhyme to look at today. I see a little animal. What little animal do you see? And he is on top of something. Something that tells time. It might go tick, 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 tick. What is this nursery rhyme? The title of this nursery rhyme is Hickory, Dickory, Dock. One of my favorites. Again, we want to keep that same, not the same beat, but we want to keep a beat and a tempo for our song or nursery rhyme. So, if you want to listen the first time, that's probably best. Let's listen, and then we'll do it together. Ready? So just listen. Hickory, dickory, dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Okay, now I'm going to stop this video and you try together singing this nursery rhyme. That is one of my favorite nursery rhymes. If we have time after this last activity, I will show you a cartoon version of Hickory Dickory Dock, and it has a lot more lines and more animals. I really like it. But today we are adding in our phonics time looking at these. What do you see on your screen? What word would you use to describe these things? They are letters. What do you notice about these letters? All right. I know you know the ABC song, but mine is different. There's parts where you're going to clap. So I want you to listen this first time for where I'm going to clap. And back. You can see where I added in pictures of the clap. When we clap, we're going to stop for that beat in the song. Catch your breath before we keep saying the alphabet. We want to say the letters. We want it nice and clear what the letter name is. So please listen first. It goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See how we slow down the alphabet when we say the letters. Nice and clear, we say them. Now it's time for you to give it a try, the new alphabet song for school.